Which ones do we do first?
I kind of feel like where you are now, and maybe I could shoot a vertical laser to that grout line, and we'll cut this tile to match that grout line up there.
If we put this here, then this one's gonna be really small.
Oh yeah, so even tinier.
So we do a little one here, full, little guy.
Okay. Morning. It's Monday, 22nd. Day, I don't know what, of tile. We're starting the day off again with something that we've never done before, and that is tiling a curb. All of our previous showers have been curbless, so doing something new again. The good news is that is the only thing that we have to do today is tile the curb. I'm gonna start with these itty bitties, and because of the slope, there's an angle here. And we're trying to match this grout line to that one. It's a little hard right there. Dang.
Everything else is good, it's just literally like right there.
All right, so the short end.
Yeah, this guy right here. Now once we just get this side done, then I'll start doing that while you cut those.
Okie dokie.
And then all I gotta do is top and...
I mean, inside, outside, top.
Yes.
Okay.
Side, top. Good. Inside, outside, top.
All right, so if I turn it upside down, facing me, I usually get a pretty good idea what the angle is, and then scribe it.
Yeah?
Oh, well.
You're good?
Yep. Now for the outside, I'm gonna try something new again. We're trying to miter the tile at this corner. Never done that before. Okay, so to get our bevel, I think we have to loosen this thing. And then it just moves the deck. Yep. Okay. Alright. Wow, this looks sketchy as heck. How? Well, I guess that's how it works. That, I just need to trim some of the height. Ah, I see what's happening. This wall is sloped like this too. I don't know how to address that. If you put it perfectly upright, it leaves a big gap on the top. Oh, I don't know if this is gonna work. Yeah, see what I mean?
Yeah, see? That would be flush right there.
Yep. And that tile is straight up and down, but as soon as you tip it, against the slope, then that disconnects down here.
Well, I'm gonna have some thin set on it, but not that much.
Yeah.
Looks like shit time, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
We tried.
Yep. So, yeah, I'm not sure exactly how to do this. Do you want to try and butt join it?
Oh, we're still gonna see
Still
this.
gonna have that.
Yeah, but it looks pretty green though, which is nice.
So my question is, do you want to lean this? Or do you want to try and do it plumb up and
I'm
down?
gonna try to do it plumb up and down.
Okay. So it's high, just on one side.
Look how good that turned out.
Yeah. Yeah, it turned out really nice. For winging it.
Yeah,
You need to use your little levelers between the things.
not on these, I can do that myself.
Yeah.
I can manage these.
Cool.
sitting on the toilet.
Very important perspective. You don't want to be sitting there just like focusing on something that's messed up.
Yeah, just do the insides and then do the outsides.
Yep.
Should be like that. Think about if they were lined up.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of dig it.
I don't hate it. The only thing that concerns me is the sharp edges.
I don't.
You don't think it'll be a problem going in and out of the shower?
No.
Supervising. All right, you want to inspect? Inspect.
How's it look, Colin?
I think I need to make a bigger grout line right there.
Yep.
Okay, all right, yes, sir. A little after 4, and I almost need a light out here. It's pretty dim in my work area. Thankfully, I think I only have 3 more cuts to do. Well, 3 more tiles, could be multiple cuts. What time did you say dinner was? 4:30?
Dinner's at 5 o'clock there, winner.
Well, 4:43 is not too far off.
Oh, wow.
Yep. Just finished the last cut, just in time for the rain.
Wow, look at this. Look how they put this thing together. How lean that's leaning.
Oh my goodness. Yep. That brace is like a 30-degree angle.
Oh my lands. I think those put those inside. Maybe bring up that step stool.
Oh, the little one?
Yeah.
Yeah, the medium one's there.
Oh, I use that one. Yeah, I use that.
This is something that Habitat would want. Oh my God. Wow. Need a little one to get it started.
You need, what's her name? Claudia?
Try Claudia.
Oh, yeah.
Pull on it. Okay. Couple of nails.
Just old sprinkler wire. We killed all the sprinklers in this house because they were all leaking. Big old nails in there, of course. So now I just need to get through this 2x4 and then cut it here and then we can drop this section. Does that make sense?
Yeah. wasp nest and stuff.
Believe it.
1 1/16. I don't know what 1 1/16 is, but it's marked up there.
Alright, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Cool!
Turn it around, hand it to you, it's pretty sad out. Yeah. Well, less ugly side.
Should probably swap it. Just don't know if these things are too fat.
Look at that.
Can you widen these holes for me? All of them except for that one. Don't do that one because that one's missing. It's just that. I don't even have it secured yet.
Oh,
It's
nice.
just sitting on there because I have it so tight sitting down.
Sweet.
I might need my little tool.
Yeah, you're at 90.
Yeah, try to move that wall.
Oh, yeah, it's
A couple more in.
yeah.
Feel the heat up there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Definitely just want to trim this out so we can't see anything.
Yeah.
And then just, because this is already painted, so you're not going to see it. And it's just a garage, it's not like our house.
Right.
You know what I mean? And then I'll run the wire up for our TV. Our TV for the gym. Once we get our treadmill.
Yeah. You gonna help? You just coming out to pee? Yep. Why don't you pick that up and put it away? You can pick it up and put it in the garage. Grab your tape measure. Get to work. Just came to manage. All right, hopefully this one's the winner. Oh.
Custom made grout to hopefully match our tile.
Yep. Anticipation is killing me.
Now I have to try to open up this one.
Oh my goodness. That looks promising.
However, it always says, the color of the grout in the bag will not look like the color you have ordered until the water is added.
Okay.
Oh my god, this is one I can't get.
All right.
Need one of those little like eyedroppers.
Yeah, like a pipette.
Yeah. The last one we ordered was blue.
Yeah, this is definitely green, so that's a start.
All right, two lines is good.
Yeah. That'll be enough to give us an idea.
Just gonna fill these in. And let it dry.
Seams.
What do you think? Yeah, you're gonna have some water. Tile in the ground.
It is pretty dang close.
Very close. I'm not a fan of sanded grouts, but you don't really notice it like ones you get from the big box stores.
Yeah, and it was our only choice for the color, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sanded it is.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Love it.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Looks so good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's got major haze, but
Oh, yeah. Totally vintage.
doesn't it?
In a good way.
Yeah.
But with that trim, you know, modern.
Yep.
Yeah. Exactly what we're going for. Oh, yeah. That turned out great.
Yeah.
I love it. Yeah. I love how it's turning out.
Mm-hmm. Yep. I just gotta let it sit and then I'll get all the haze off of it. I'm not gonna continue on because I ordered the other grout, more of it. So before I start on this area, I want it to all match. So I'll just do it all in
Yeah.
one thing. 'Cause you won't notice it, you know, and just in case it's off a little, since it's custom color.
Right.
Like, remember how bad I thought that the floor looked?
Uh-huh. It's amazing what grout does.
It looks so good.
Yeah.
Like, we did a great job. Like, people probably can't tell on the camera, but whoo!
Yeah. It's got that seamless, monochromatic look that we were going for. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful. It does look retro.
Doesn't it look retro?
Mm-hmm. In the best kind of way.